If I had $1 trillion, I'd widen the selection and availability of programs.
Integrate learning with 21st century jobs.
Financially support art and music classes.
And extracurricular activities for all schools.
Our school, Miami Edison Senior High, is classified as a low-income urban school. Not enough resources are being spent to improve the quality of our education, and is resulting in the inescapable truth of not having equal opportunities.
Why should an all-girls school like Carrollton get better funding and better students than, say, a lesser privileged neighborhood?
They always try to put the better schools in the nicer neighborhoods.
I thought like a lot of the teachers weren't good and they wouldn't be allowed in another school, but because it's this school, nobody cares.
I feel education should be something that's available to everyone. Why should schools in certain neighborhoods be treated better than schools in other areas? A zip code and income status shouldn't determine the quality of our education. It shouldn't be dictated by sex, race, class, party, or religion. A privilege to one should be a privilege for all, especially if it can benefit the whole. The more educated a society is, the more productive it will be. It is education and not schooling that creates a cycle of making society a better place.
When I was teaching at Lenora B. Smith, I felt like they spent so much time doing all the standardized testing.
Does a test really give you critical thought?
Narrows their chances because they're just trying to pass the test.
The educational system is failing. We know by what it's not producing in the lives of students all over the country.
One of the key things for me is actually kids, also students, actually being trained and developed in the areas they want to take their careers.
I would actually invest in the local merchants, the local fashion designers, welders, any people that uses the use of math, reading, and science, to bring them in and help kids.
With $1 trillion, we want to focus on providing an ideal education for everyone, so no one can be deprived of meaningful educational experiences. An ideal education that's not only effective but also sustainable for future generations.